Now let's talk about the Mercury throttle control. There are lots of features on this unit. It's really a pleasure to use. I'll tell you, they've come a long way over the years. This is the standard DTS control that we use for Mercury powered boats. It has two handles that control all three engines. When you oppose the outside engines, the center engine will go to neutral. So if you were maneuvering, you could use the two handles and let the center engine just stay in neutral. There's a trim button on the side of the port handle. This allows you to raise or lower the trim on the three engines. There's also trim control switches which are located on the front of the DTS. You can trim the engines individually that way. There's a menu that allows you to see if you have any alarms, the alarm history, and engine hours. You can pull up that information by pressing enter. You'll go back to the blank screen when you press the menu button again. On the back of the control, there are three buttons. These three buttons will start the engines if the ignition keys, which are located on the port side of the console, are in the on position. So you can start the engines individually, 1, 2, 3, or you can use the button that's located at the bottom of the port handle. It says start on it. If you press that start button, all three motors will start simultaneously. On the side of the control, we have a throttle only button. That's for running the engines at an increased RPM if you wanted to charge batteries or something like that. There's also a one lever control. To use that, you'll put all three engines in neutral, press the button, and then pull the other handle back into wherever you want to keep it, and use this one throttle control for all three motors while you're underway. Above the one lever button, there's a sunburst. That allows you to raise or lower the brightness of the control. Next to that, there's a button called Active Trim. Active Trim allows your engines to trim automatically when you're increasing your RPMs. I've used it on 2 or 3. They seem to be a good setting to use, but you'll find that your own use of the boat will allow you to figure out which one is best for you.